Are you dreaming of studying in Germany, one of the most popular destinations for international students? With world-class education, low or no tuition fees, and strong career prospects, Germany attracts thousands of students each year. In this video, I'll give you a complete roadmap, from top courses and universities to visa process, part-time work, and cost of living. So stay with me till the end. Why Germany? Germany is Europe's largest economy with a strong focus on research, engineering, and technology. Over 400,000 international students study in Germany every year. Tuition-free education at most public universities, even for international students. Degrees are globally recognized. Safe country with high quality of life. Centrally located in Europe, easy to travel across EU. Focus on innovation, practical learning, and job readiness. Intakes and application timeline. 2 major intakes. Winter semester. Starts in September, October, main intake. Summer semester. Starts in March, April, fewer programs. Start preparation at least 9 to 12 months in advance. And make sure to apply to a relevant course or field. And if you want to switch programs, there is no problem, but you have to justify it with strong statements and experiences like jobs or internships which can allow the visa officer to believe why you are interested in switching your main field to your chosen. Application deadlines. Winter, mid-July. Summer, mid-January. Many universities accept applications through Uni-Assist or their own portals. Types of universities. Public universities, mostly free tuition. Funded by the government. Examples. TU Munich, Heidelberg University, LMU Munich. Private universities. Charge tuition fees, €5,000 to €20,000 per year. Smaller class sizes and English taught programs. Universities of Applied Sciences, Fachhochschule, practical, job-oriented. Great for students seeking employment right after graduation. Top courses and fields. Engineering, especially mechanical, automotive, electrical, computer science and IT. Business and management. Natural sciences. Artificial intelligence and data science. Architecture and design. Medicine and life sciences. Note: medicine has specific requirements in German. Eligibility and requirements 12 years of schooling plus recognized qualification, like A-levels, IB, or equivalent to Abitur. Bachelor's for master's admission, minimum 70% for competitive programs. Language. English taught programs, IELTS, TOEFL. But now some universities are accepting private as well. A few universities accept an English proficiency letter from a university if you have completed your course in English. For German programs, German taught, test off or DSH exam. Motivational letter, CV, recommendation letters, and sometimes entrance exams or interviews. Visa process. Apply for a German student visa, National D visa. Key requirements. University admission letter. Blocked account, €11,208 per year, as proof of funds. Health insurance. Academic documents, passport, biometric photo, etc. Visa interview at German embassy, consulate. Cost of living and part-time work. Average monthly expenses, €850 to €1,200. Rent, food, transport, insurance, etc. Part-time work allowed. 20 hours per week during the semester, full-time during holidays. Earn around €10-15 per hour. Job opportunities in IT, hospitality, delivery, and research assistance. Scholarships. DAAD scholarships, most popular. Erasmus+, university-specific scholarships. Some are fully funded, covering tuition and living expenses. Apply early and keep documents ready. Post-study work and PR. After graduation, you get 18 months job search visa. Once employed, you can apply for EU Blue Card. After 33 months, or 21 months with language proficiency, apply for permanent residency, PR. Final tips. Germany offers a powerful mix of quality education, practical experience, and career potential. Start early, choose the right course, and keep your documents and deadlines organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who are planning to study in Germany. In the next video, I'll be covering how to write a strong SOP and how to open a blocked account step by step. See you soon.